Struggling to find a featured image option in Elementor? Follow the exact menu path to display it on your page in under 4 minutes. In this walkthrough, we'll open the Elementor editor, locate the Site menu, and reveal the hidden featured image option, plus the upgrade path to enable it. To get started, go to your home page and edit it with Elementor. That'll open the builder for your changes. Once the builder loads, you'll see a highlighted element right on the canvas, so click on it to select it. Now, click on the Site button in the interface to bring up the site settings. Then click on Site again to continue. Next, click on the Featured Image option so you can set up a featured image for your page. You'll see a button that says Use Featured Image Widget and dozens more pro features to extend your toolbox. Click on that to proceed. Finally, hit Upgrade Now to finish. And thanks for watching. That's all there is to it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.